In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a PDF to your Skool community. We'll walk through the process from inside your Skool dashboard, and by the end, you'll have a PDF set up as a paid product that your members can easily buy and download. First, head over to your Skool dashboard and make sure you're in the right community where you want to sell this PDF. From the main navigation at the top, click on Classroom. This is where all your courses and paid products live, and your PDF is going to be structured as a simple course. Once you're in the classroom area, click on New Course. Think of this course as the container for your PDF. In the course title field, type in the name of your PDF. Use something clear and benefit-driven, so members immediately understand what they're getting. Next, type in a description for your PDF. This is your sales copy, so briefly explain what the PDF covers, who it's for, and what result or outcome it helps them achieve. Keep it concise but compelling, because people will read this before deciding to buy. Now, look for the option that says Buy Now and click on it. This tells Skool that this is a one-time purchase product, not a free resource or a subscription. After enabling that, type in your one-time purchase price. Make sure the price reflects the value of the PDF and is consistent with your other offers. In the cover section, click on Upload to add a cover image. This can be a simple graphic with the title of your PDF, your branding, or anything that makes it look professional and recognizable inside your classroom. When you're done with those basic settings, click on Add to create the course. After it's created, you'll see it listed in your classroom. Click on the small pen icon to edit this new course page properly. This is where you can structure the content, add sections or folders, and make it easy for buyers to access the file. Inside the editor, click into the content area, then open the Add drop-down. From the options, choose Add a resource file. This is the key step where you attach your actual PDF. Select the PDF from your device and upload it. Once the upload is complete, click into the label field and type in a clear label, like Download your PDF here. If you want, you can take a moment to design the page a little more by editing text, adding headings, or brief instructions so buyers know exactly what to do. When everything looks good, click on Add to confirm the resource, and finally, click on Save. Your PDF is now set up as a paid product in your Skool classroom and ready to sell to your community.